cichlids are ornamental aquarium fish noted for their vivid colors and the distinctively shaped heads for which they are named. Their head protuberance, or cock, is formally termed a nuchal hump. Like blood parrot cichlids, they are man-made hybrids that exist in the wild only because of their release. First developed in Malaysia, Thailand, and Taiwan, they became very popular with Asian fish hobbyists. They are also kept by hobbyists in the US and Europe. Numerous cast-off flower horns have been released to the wild, especially in Singapore and Malaysia, where they have become an invasive pest animal. Their importation is banned in Australia. Origin: flower horn breeding dates to 1993. 1. Unreliable source: Taiwanese and Malaysians admired fish with protruding heads, known as kaloi, or warships. Found in the western part of the nation. The slightly protruding forehead and long tail of these fish were prized in Taiwanese society as bringing luck in geomancy. By 1994, red devil cichlids, typically Amphilophus labiatus, and Trimmic cichlids, Amphilophus trimiculatus, had been imported from Central America to Malaysia, and the hybrid blood parrot cichlid had been imported from Taiwan to Malaysia and bred these fish together, marking the birth of the flower horn. Dubious discussed in 1995, the blood parrots were further crossbred with the human face red god of fortune, which produced a new breed called the Five Colors God of Fortune. With its beautiful colors, this fish quickly became popular. Selective breeding continued through 1998. When the Seven Colors blue fiery mouth, also known as greenish gold tiger, was imported from Central America and crossbred with the Jingang blood parrot from Taiwan. 1. Unreliable source: this crossbreeding led to the first generation of Hualohan flower horn hybrids, often generically called Luohans in English, which were then followed by subsequent flower horn introductions. Arrival in the West. Edit template: the only source cited, ref name equals craze, is just some pseudonymous blog post. When Luohans were first imported to the United States, there were only two varieties of these fish for distribution: flower horn and golden base. 1. Flower horns came in two varieties: those with pearls, silver-white spots on the skin, and those without. Golden bases also had two varieties, those that faded and those that did not. Among the flower horns, the ones without pearls were quickly overtaken in popularity by those with pearls, becoming pearl-scale flower horns, which were developed into the Zhengzhou variety. Within the golden bases, the unfaded ones developed an attractive golden skin in place of what had been the flower horn's gray skin. By 1999, there were 4 varieties of flower horn available in the American market: regular flower horns, pearl-scale flower horns, golden flower horns, and faders. 1. Commercial breeders proliferated, and fish were selected for appearance with little regard for terminology. 1. Consequently, names became confusing and parentage became difficult to track. Around 2000 to 2001, the camphor variety appeared. These were hybrids of any type of flower horn crossed with any species of the genus Viedra or with any parrot cichlid. 1. These brought in some new traits, such as short mouths, rat tails, sunken eyes, and increasingly larger head bumps. Seeing this, those who bred the Zhengzhous began line breeding their fish to develop faster and become more colorful, in order to compete with the camphor strains. 1.